You see all those guys doing full planche like it's nothing. Well, in reality, achieving full planche is not that easy. Numero uno, straight arm strength. As we all know, the planche is straight arm move. And basically every exercise is harder to do with straight arms, except handstand, back lever, that's all. At the beginning of my calisthenics journey, I could do like straddle attempts and I couldn't do handstand push-ups at all. Now I can do 7 handstand push-ups. Error, planche is not found. So I would pretty much say that the straight arm and bent arm strength is totally different, two different things. That's why you need to build the straight arm strength separately. Numero dos is being consistent with the planche training. That's such a huge part of achieving the planche, because if you train it like once a year, you will progress nowhere. You will basically be stuck. You need to pick one of those skills and do only that skill. That's the way how you progress the fastest. If you do all those skills all at the same time, you will progress too, but your progress will be as slow as 200 kg man sprinting. You shouldn't do only a push exercise for like a year or something. Always train push and pull so you stay safe. Numero tres. Not strong basics. If you can't do push-up, you won't be able to learn the planche. And previously I said that the straight arm and bent arm is two separate things, but if I could do 100 kgs deep, I would be more likely to learn the planche faster than the guy who's just starting out, working out, doing 10 push-ups. And with those basics you will also gain more muscle for the planche to hold the whole body in that angle. For example, if you take a look at this guy, he has at least something to teach how to planche. His upper body is a lot bigger than mine. Numero cuatro. This thing will people take like an excuse, but it's fact. This thing will be about how's your body built and how tall are you. Oh god! In my case, I'm ectomorph. I'm a tall guy and skinny at the same time. Basically, I am 6'2". In my opinion, guys that are like taller or the same height as me have the torso of 6-foot guy, but the height is made of the longer legs. I believe there are some guys that have like significant difference in length of the upper body and the lower body. If you are not totally dumb, excuse me, you know that those skills are levers. To make the lever even load harder, you can just put at the end of the lever like 1 kg, and from full front you will be on the ground. But this video is about planche. I don't know why I'm talking about front lever. Numero cinco is that it's not my primary goal. Well, that's obvious. I'm doing all the time the front lever and that's my current goal. And also every time I do even a tuck planche or tuck lean, I build up quickly the forearm pain, muscle ups, again pain in the forearm from the planche. I am building up those bent arm moves. Currently I unlock the 90-degree push-up, which is great. And as I said, if I could do 100 kgs deep, then I will just take like 2-3 months and I am in straddle, because you have something to teach how to planche. And that's why I did 1 month bodybuilding experiment where I just lifted weights like bench, biceps curls and some exercises for back, because I did it to find out if it would help me with the front lever. Be ready for that video, it will come out after this. It will be interesting, I think, to see if there's any carryover from bodybuilding to calisthenics. My advice for you will be to not skip basics too early, or like not skip basics basically. Build up solid base, then try to learn the skill you want. See you guys in a bodybuilding video.